Hey bro, be honest. How many times have you told yourself, I change my life starting tomorrow, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes? Same habits, same routine, same life. If this feels like you, then this is video only for you. So don't skip this video. Now this video is started. You know the reality? You don't have a motivation problem. You have a starting problem. You keep waiting for the perfect moment when you feels ready, when everything feels right. But that moment never comes, and because of that you stay exactly where you are. Now listen carefully. Why nothing changes in your life? Because of you think too much but you act too little. You watch videos, you feel motivated, but you don't do anything after that. And slowly you start losing belief in yourself because deep down you know you are not taking action. What to start? How my life is not going? How can act that? Now, if you want really to change your life, start this. Step 1. Start small. Don't try to change everything. Just one thing, one habit, one goal. Make it so small that you can't say no. Step 2. Show up every day. You don't need motivation. You need consistency. Even on bad days, show up. Do a little but do it daily. Step 3. Remove one bad habit. You don't need to add more. You need to remove what holding you back. Less scrolling, less wasting time, more focus. Now this is truth. Your life will not change overnight, but your direction can change today. And once your direction changes, everything else follows. So stop waiting, stop thinking, start now. Because the life you want is on the other side of action. And if this video felt real, save it, subscribe this channel and start today.